All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. I decided to go ahead and fire up this video. I've had these cases for a little bit of time, but I just hadn't had time to get around to shoot them. So I have an array of different cases here from Alexa, and then I have the Spigen Liquid Air for the OnePlus 9 as well. Now, this is going to be just a test fit for all of these. We'll see how we like them, and then we'll pick a favorite or two or all. So let's start right here with this carbon. This is an Alexa case. Ooh, that feels completely different than I thought it was going to feel. As I'm already starting out, you've got that famous autofocus branding that they do down there sometimes. Inside, you've got the little pattern here, and then you got some branding inside of the case as well. It just says the Ultimate Experience OnePlus 9. So you've got some ports here cut out that'll match the device, power, vibrate, everything. Mute switch. Let's try it on, man. Ooh, that's a really good fit. That is a good fit. Now, power button works really good. Volume rocker. Everything looks good. Getting access to the vibrate mute switch is obviously really good because this isn't a very big phone for me, so getting to it is super easy. And then you have the cutout on the camera on the back is now a little bit recessed because it's covered there. Microphone hole, everything lines up good. All these cases will work with wireless charging because they are plastic or some form of TPU. You got a little bit of lip protection going on here, just a hair. So if you have a screen protector on there, which this one does, you'll be good to go. So that is their, I think this is their label, and this is carbon fiber. Yeah, carbon fiber 1 for the OnePlus 9. Let's put this one to the side here. Now let's pop open this clear one. Let's get this one out of the way, because I normally don't wear clear cases, but I know lots of people. If I had like a device that was like something I wanted to really show off, then yeah, color, definitely would be using a clear case. This actually looks really good with this black. Now that I have it on there. It's a nice snug fit. Get it on, there we go. Yeah, as long as it's clean, your first run getting it in there, if you leave it in there, look at how beautiful that looks. Wow, I retract my previous statement. That really shows off my skin. That's beautiful. Wow. If you're wondering, I'm using the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. Just a top-down shot for this video. There it is how the case looks on the front. Again, you've got some lip protection. Yeah, actually got a little bit of corner protection as well, too. That's all right. All the ports and everything are going to be the same on these cases. They actually match up really good to the phone because these are Alexa cases, so they should all be the same. But that is a nice representation there. Wow, that is beautiful with this skin. Ooh, I like that. Let's go ahead and get open this one right here. And I'll do the Spigen last. This is a soft touch. Oh, this is beautiful, man. This feels really good. Wow. This is a silicone case. This is Midnight Navy. Now, this is what I'm talking about when you have a case. Put some padding in the inside of it. This is a soft touch, like velvety material inside of here. This feels really, really good on the outside and the inside. Wow. All right, let's get this off. That is one beautiful clear case. Let's pop this on. That feels just as good as I thought it would. Wow, that feels good. It looks good too. I like that. Access to the vibrate mute switch is obviously easily accessible. Nice big cutout on this one. The camera hole is now flattened off by the case. The bottom is one of those cases where it's open along the bottom, so take note of that. And on this one, this is good, man. I mean, you have a little bit of lip protection on this one too. This actually raises up on the corners, so if you do drop your phone, you should be okay with it. Yeah, that's pretty nice, man. It's good. It looks good from the front here because of the wallpaper or whatever. Yeah, it looks really good. I like this. Very nice. All right. Again, remember all these will work with wireless charging because they are all some form of plastic or TPU. Now, last but not least, the Spigen Liquid Air. got some grip along the sides of the entire case. You got a little bit of Spigen branding right there. Really nice. All ports and everything are gonna line up. Let's get this one on. I like this, man. Now, currently my case of choice is this sandstone case directly from OnePlus. You can kind of see how that looks. This is beautiful. This is the one of these four. This is they are all good, but I definitely favor this Spigen Liquid Air. Just the texture and pattern on it, it just feels really nice. These all feel good. Something about this one, it just feels substantial in my hand. I know that it's there. I like this. Power button, volume rocker, everything works good. You can see the cutout on the case for this one is a little different. You can actually see a little bit of the recess there. Really, really nice. So there it is, folks. A lineup here for you of 4 cases that I got in last week. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. I just want to try these on. You can Google any of these. Google Alexa, obviously you know who Spigen is, and you will find these cases, man. As I lay them all flat here, I think this is actually the order that I like them from the least favorite to favorite as I lay them out there. So that just happened to be like that. So leave a link down below. Leave a link down below. Oh my God, I don't know what I'm thinking. Leave a comment down below on what your thoughts on, what's your favorite. If you own any of these cases, let me know in the comments and tell me how you feel about how they feel on your device. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.